ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু ইংলিশ ম্যাথমেটিক্স অনলাইন ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, এখন আমরা ক্লাস 12-এর স্ট্রং রুটস থেকে গ্রামার এর কিছু অংশ আলোচনা করব। প্রথম আছে ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করতে হবে। মাই পেরেন্টস ওয়ার ওয়াইডলি রিগার্ডেড অ্যাজ অ্যান আইডিয়াল কাপল। তাহলে এখানে পিপুল ওয়াইডলি রিগার্ডেড মাই পেরেন্টস অ্যাজ অ্যান আইডিয়াল কাপল। প্যাসিভ ভয়েস ছিল, অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসে করতে হবে। নেক্সট হলো আই ডু নট রিকল দ্য এক্সাক্ট নাম্বার অফ পিপুল সি ফেড এভরি ডে। The exact number of people she fed every day is not recalled by me. He possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. A great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit were possessed by him. All necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicine or clothing. My parents provided for all necessities in terms of food, medicine or clothing. She would place a banana leaf before me. A banana leaf would be placed before me by her. My father would take me for evening prayers to a very old mosque. I would be taken for evening prayers to a very old mosque by my father. Many of them offer bowls of water to my father. Bowls of water were provided to my father by many of them. This water was carried home for invalids. They or people carried this water home for invalids. I asked my father about the relevance of prayer. My father was asked about the relevance of prayer by me. My father told me there was nothing mysterious about prayer. I was told by my father there was nothing mysterious about prayer. Prayer made possible a communion of spirit between people. A communion of spirit between people was made possible by prayer. My father could convey complex spiritual concepts in a very simple down-to-earth Tamil. Complex spiritual concepts could be conveyed in very simple down-to-earth Tamil by my father. Adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. Opportunities for introspection are always presented by adversity. His answer filled me with a strange energy and enthusiasm. I was filled with a strange energy and enthusiasm by his answer. My austere father avoided all essential comforts and luxuries. All inessential comforts and luxuries were avoided by my austere father. The fundamental truths were revealed to me by my father. My father revealed to me the fundamental truths. They look for someone to help them. Someone is looked for to help them by them. Transformation of sentence. যারা চ্যানেলে নতুন তারা পড়া দেখলে যদি ভালো লাগে তারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, আর যারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে ফেলেছেন থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। নিকট বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করবেন, লাইক করবেন। টাচ স্ক্রিনে আই বাটন দেখে নতুন ক্লিক করে নতুন ভিডিও দেখা যাবে। চ্যানেল শেষে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটন থাকবে, সাবস্ক্রাইব করা যাবে। হি হ্যাড অ্যান আইডিয়াল হেল্পমেট ইন মাই মাদার আসিয়াম্মা। চেঞ্জ ইন্টু কমপ্লেক্স। হি হ্যাড এ হেল্পমেট ইন মাই মাদার আসিয়াম্মা হু ওয়াজ ইন আইডিয়াল। I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day. She fed every day, but I do not recall the exact number of people. I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family. Change into compound sentence. Far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family, and I am quite certain of it. My mother's lineage was the more distinguished. One of her forebears having been bestowed the title of Bahadur by the British. Change into complex or compound. As my mother's lineage was the more distinguished, one of her forebears had been bestowed the title of Bahadur by the British. My mother's lineage was the more distinguished, and one of her forebears had been bestowed the title of Bahadur by the British. I was a short boy with rather undistinguished looks. Change into complex compound. I was a short boy and I had undistinguished looks. It was a fairly large Paka house. Change into complex sentence. It was a house which was fairly large Paka. My austere father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. Change into compound. My austere father used to avoid all comforts and luxuries which were inessential. My austere father used to avoid all comforts and luxuries and they were inessential. My austere father used to avoid all comforts and luxuries because they were inessential. Mine was a very secure childhood, materially and emotionally. Mine was a childhood which was very secure materially and emotionally. I normally ate with my mother sitting on the floor of the kitchen. I sat on the floor of the kitchen and I normally ate with my mother. Our locality was predominantly Muslim, but there were quite a lot of Hindu families too. Change into complex sentence. Though our locality was predominantly Muslim, there were quite a lot of Hindu families too. Besides a lot of Hindu families, our locality was predominantly Muslim. In spite of a lot of Hindu families, our locality was predominantly Muslim. There were quite a lot of Hindu families too living amicably with their Muslim neighbors. Change to complex or compound. There were quite a lot of Hindu families and they lived amicably with their Muslim neighbors. Though there were quite a lot of Hindu families, they lived amicably with their Muslim neighbors. There was a very old mosque in our locality where my father would take me for evening prayers. Change to simple and compound. My father would take me for evening prayers to a very old mosque in our locality. Simple. There was a very old mosque in our locality and my father would take me for evening prayers there. Compound. People of different religion would be sitting outside waiting for him. Change to complex. People of different religion would be sitting outside because they were waiting for him. My father would dip his fingertips in them and say prayer. My father would dip his fingertips in them to say prayers. Dipping his fingertips in them, my father would say a prayer. I also remember people visiting our home to offer thanks after being cured. I also remember people visiting our home because they offer thanks after being cured. I also remember people who visited our home to offer thanks after being cured. The high priest of Rameswaram temple, Pokhi Lakshmana Shastri, was a very close friend of my father. The high priest of Rameswaram temple was Pokhi Lakshmana Shastri, who was a very close friend of my father. When I was old enough to ask questions, I asked my father about the relevance of prayer. Change to simple. On being old enough to ask questions, I asked my father about the relevance of prayer. Or I was old enough to ask my father about the relevance of prayer. You transcend your body and become a part of the cosmos. Change to a simple sentence. Transcending your body, you become a part of the cosmos. You transcend your body to become a part of the cosmos. If you transcend your body, you become a part of the cosmos. My father could convey complex spiritual concepts in a very simple down-to-earth Tamil. Change to complex. My father could convey concepts which was complex spiritual in very simple down-to-earth Tamil. Why don't you say this to the people who come to you for help and advice? Why don't you say this to the people coming to you for help and advice? He put his hands on my shoulders and looked straight into my eyes. Putting his hands on my shoulders, he looked straight into my eyes. For quite some time, he said nothing, as if he was judging my capacity to comprehend his words. He was judging my capacity to comprehend his words, saying nothing for quite some time. Then he answered in a low, deep voice. Then he answered in a voice which was low, deep. Whenever human beings find themselves alone, as a natural reaction, they start looking for a companion. whenever finding themselves alone as a natural reactions, a human being starts looking for company. This is not a correct approach at all and should never be followed. Change into simple complex. As this is not a correct approach at all, this should never be followed. Being not a correct approach at all, this should never be followed. One must understand the difference between a fear-ridden vision of destiny and the vision that enables us to seek the enemy of fulfillment within ourselves. One must understand the difference between a fear-ridden vision of destiny and the vision enabling us to seek the enemy of fulfillments within ourselves. I remember my father starting his day at 4 a.m. and by reading the namaz before dawn. Change into complex compound. I remember that my father starts his day at 4 a.m. by reading the namaz before dawn. I remember my father starting his day at 4 a.m. and he reads the namaz before dawn. There exists a divine power that can lift one up from confusion, misery, melancholy, and failure. Change into simple. There exists a divine power lifting one up from confusion, misery, melancholy, and failure. I was totally convinced that they reached God. Change to simple. That they reached God was totally convinced me. সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটন থেকে চ্যানেলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করা যাবে যখন ভিডিও শেষ হয়ে আসছে এবং টাচস্ক্রিনে টাচ করে নতুন ভিডিও দেখা যাবে আই বাটনের লিঙ্ক থেকে প্লেলিস্ট দেওয়া থাকবে। আই হ্যাভ ট্রাইড টু emulate my father in my own world of science and technology. Change to complex sentence. It is my own world of science and technology for which I have tried to emulate my father. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom. Change to complex. Although he had this disadvantage, he possessed great wisdom. He said to me, every recurrent anguish, longing and desire finds its own special helper. He told me that every recurrent anguish, longing and desire found its own special helper. I said to my father, why don't you say this to the people who came to you for help and advice? I asked my father why he did not say that to the people who came to him for help and advice. এগুলো কিন্তু narration change. My father said to me, adversity always presents opportunities for introspection. My father told me that adversity always presented opportunities for introspection. He said, why be afraid of difficulties, suffering and problems? My father said to me, every human being is a specific element within the whole of the manifest divine being. My father told me that every human being was a specific element within the whole of the manifest divine being. He said, when troubles come, try to understand the relevance of your sufferings. He said or argued that when trouble came, we tried to understand the relevance of our sufferings. My father said to me, prayer makes possible a communion of the spirit between people. My father told me that prayer made possible communion of the spirit between people. Why don't you say this to the people? Asked my father. I asked my father why he did not say that. Thank you for visiting the channel. Subscribe button দেখে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। Thank you.